As Moses and the Israelites approached the Red Sea, they had no idea how to get across. Little did they know, the Most High was about to astonish them with an amazing miracle. The word of the day is astonish. Astonish means to surprise or amaze someone very much. Why do you think Moses and the Israelites were astonished?
Exodus chapter 14 verse 21. And Moses stretched out his hand over the sea, and the Lord caused the sea to go back by a strong east wind all that night, and made the sea dry land, and the waters were divided. Verse 22. And the children of Israel went into the midst of the sea upon the dry ground, and the waters were as a wall unto them on their right hand and on their left. Sounds astonishing to me.
Can you write or tell someone about a time when you were astonished? But you can only use 3 sentences. All right, see you next time.